Okay, we have a clothes dryer here, and we have a problem here with the exhaust duct is squashed. See, there's very little room between the wall and the exhaust ductwork, and you can see how the dryer duct has been restricted there. There's a little bit of air getting through, but it's restricted maybe even 50% there. So quick way to solve this problem, you just take the ductwork off and go vertically like so. See, if you go vertically, you don't have that restriction going out, and then bring it back down like so, and then you just attach it back onto the ductwork. So now the exhaust duct is not restricted at all, and you're still using the same amount of space between the dryer and the wall. So anyway, this is a quick way to solve a ductwork problem with a dryer. Okay, thanks for watching.